Good morning to day 29, Saturday. Had a meeting on site with the engineer this morning, the project manager this morning, the concrete manager this morning, and a new potential supervisor as well. And the beast is back. We have the excavator man on site today. We're taking away more mud. It really is expensive to take this away. I think we're about 20 loads so far at 200, and I think we've probably still got another 10 to go, so it's proving pretty expensive to get that done. But if I show you what, we do have a lot more space, and the site is coming along a lot greater now as well. And today we built a plan as well with the engineers. We know exactly what we're looking to undertake, so we're still now going to be digging out all of this today. This whole piece here is coming out, and as you can see where we're raising it there, we'll try and raise it all the way along. So and we've still got to take the driveway out as well, so I want to get that done as soon as possible. So does the concrete man, but the engineer doesn't really want to do that. So I'm not going to be on site all day today. It's now 12 o'clock, been here since 9. We do get a great breeze here. You'll probably hear it on the actual on the video, but anyway, Ryan is still going to be digging out loads more soil, taking most. So once that's actually done, then we're pretty much done for the day. Okay, so Saturday has just been pretty much getting the backside levelled out and dumped really. So the guys are still at it. So the pile is now massively disappeared. It's amazing what $3,000 does for you. So there's still a load just about to go, look. And we're now levelling off. Bobcat is out there now just trying to pour. This has all got to be dug out here, so obviously we need to keep that empty for a bit. There's going to be loads of mud coming out there as well. So yeah, we've now got a bit of space, which is quite good. So it is actually, what is the time? 4:10 on a Saturday, so we need to get the guys maybe do another sort of half hour and then knock off, give the neighbours some peace. And then Monday it starts. As far as I'm aware, we're going to be setting out over there and starting to get digging. It really is then a case of trying to get the rest of the build pushed along. So we're going to try and get all the actual footings done for the swimming pool, the patio area, the remainder of the actual slab itself. So all the actual piles along here, all the way along. We're going to try and get them all done at the same time and pour them at the same time. So hopefully in a week's time, everything should be done and we should be pouring concrete. And that is everything, which means we'll be block walling up and the slab will be going into the middle floor as well. So that's the plan. So fingers crossed Monday / Tuesday, everything should accelerate very quickly. But apart from that, that's pretty much us for today. So if there's anything else that does change from now, we'll film it. But I think at the moment, we're pretty much going to be where we are as we are now. So we'll see.